Hi everyone, welcome to Module 3 of class. So last week we explored the roles and responsibilities of the various healthcare professions, the professional strengths of each, and the environments that they work in. We also learned more about the importance of interdisciplinary teamwork. I thought that everyone did a really good job researching and discussing the specific healthcare profession that you chose for the class discussion, so good job. All right, so this week we are identifying your individual professional strengths and weaknesses and interests, along with your academic strengths and weaknesses. So once you have a good idea of what those are, we will then assess those areas and your interests to see which healthcare professions are really compatible with you. So, with years of experience working in the health field and the education field, I have figured out what my strengths and weaknesses really are. And so knowing your strengths is easy. And it's those characteristics that can really help us to succeed in our careers. The weaknesses are really our problem areas. So one of my weaknesses is that when I would often, act or speak quickly, sort of those knee-jerk reactions whenever an issue would arise. And so I made some huge mistakes, and I've had to learn to stop and walk away to take time to think before acting or speaking. And doing so has saved me, as well as others around me, a lot of stress, right? So I'm curious as to, if you already know what some of your weaknesses are, how you've worked on sort of fixing those or making them less of a weakness. All right, so our class discussion this week requires you to perform a personal or what we call a self-SWOT analysis. It will allow you to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your academic or college experience and your pursuit of your desired healthcare professions and career goals. The assigned reading and lecture video for the module will assist you in understanding what a self-SWOT is and how to really complete one. All right, and I will definitely talk more about that during the live session this week. Now, for your initial post, you will provide the results of your personal SWOT, along with any personal insight or thoughts on the results of those personal SWOT results. Now, do not attach your actual results from any documentation you received or any, reports or printouts. You need to actually discuss it in written form in your post, okay? So now as we research and explore personal skills and traits and interests this week, do these personal characteristics matter with your desired healthcare profession? That's something you need to address in your initial post. And so, for example, can someone work in a healthcare job that includes direct patient care if they don't necessarily enjoy interacting with people or patients? Can an individual be truly successful in a healthcare job if their personal characteristics do not align very well with a healthcare profession? Why or why not? All right, so don't forget, you need to submit your initial post by Tuesday at midnight. So that means you need to submit it either on Monday or Tuesday, really. And then respond to at least one other student's post on or before Saturday at midnight. Keep an eye on the grading rubric. Now remember too, we have some other assignments this week, and I will go over these during the live session as well. So you have the Module 3 course project, the Module 3 written assignment, and then the live classroom attendance passcode. Those are all due by Sunday at midnight. If you have any questions, you can contact me through the course messages area or by my Rasmussen email or even by phone. And my number is listed there, all right? All right, thanks everyone. I will see you in the class discussion very soon.